almost every website has some kind of menu system today, and we use that as kind of a main navigation thing. So you should really think through your menu items. They shouldn't be too many in the menu, and they shouldn't be too few. And there are, dependent on the theme, there might be different places where you can place a menu. So now I have actually just installed a theme here that is called Neve, and because I know that that theme has a menu by default, a top menu. And if you don't create the menu, because if I go to menus again, you see that I have no menu at all here. So I need to create this one. But if I don't have that and still go to my site, you see that there is a top menu up here with About Us, the company history, sample page, and some page. So there is some kind of structure already in place for this menu. But if I would like to handle this a little bit more sophisticated, well, then I can create my own menu. When I add a new page, there is a possibility to add that automatically to the menu. If I have no menu at all, well, then it will automatically be added to this, because this is the pages that I have on my site. So if I create a new page, it will show up in the menu. But let's create a menu instead. So I can go directly to menus here. Then it looks like this. I need to first create the menu before I can add stuff to that. So let's add a new top menu like this, and then create that menu. Now when the menu is created, I can add pages, I can add posts, I can add custom links, I can also add categories directly into the menu. So let's add some pages. Let's add the About Us page, add to menu, let's add the company history, add that one, and let's add the sample page, and let's add the hello world, or maybe the first post ever, to this one. Now when I do have the menu, I can start to change it by just dragging the items and placing them in the order I want them. So here I have kind of full control. I can even create submenus by just dragging them slightly to the side. Like this. And most themes, actually, as you will see shortly, if I now save this menu and go back to my site, you see that then this one is not used. Yes, of course I missed something. If I go back to menus, I have my top menu, but I haven't told where should this menu be used. And as you can see, this theme has 3 different locations where menus can show up. I can use it as a primary menu, footer menu, and a secondary menu. And primary menu is usually the one at the top. So add it there, save again. And now if I go back, you see that now I have the menu in the way I ordered them. And also you see that I have a sub menu here under the About Us page. And if I quickly do like this and go into the mobile version, you see that, well, now it behaves a little bit differently, and this is dependent on the theme. But now I can open this one up via this kind of arrow at or the chevron at the right side here. So I have the menu working in all screen sizes. So with menus you can structure things, and you can create a good navigation for your end users. But remember that the menu positions are based on the theme. You can also add menus as blocks, but think about the top menu at least. You should really think that through, because it should not be too many items, but maybe not too few either. Some of the modern themes, or maybe it's more of a philosophy. If I go to appearance, themes, and then if I go to the 2021 and activate that one and go back to my site, you see that now it does have a menu up here. It didn't have that before, but now, as I had said that my top menu should be placed in the primary menu place, then it will show up here. So as you can see, this theme also has the possibility to add a menu. You can also edit menus via the customizer. The same as kind of with widgets. Here you have menus, and I can select the top menu, and then I can add items to this one in kind of the same way. I can add categories, and now I have the women category, and I can add that. And now if I publish this one, now if I click on this one, now I should see every post that is posted in the category women. But as I had no post for that yet, there it says nothing here. Here you see in this theme I only have primary menu and secondary menu. There is no footer menu, and there is nothing, there was something else in the other one. So it is dependent on the theme, but you have full control of your menu when working with it. And it's the same here. You can grab posts or the menu items, and you can drop them where you want them, and it will update automatically, so you can see how it looks like this one. So that is menus.